Hello, and welcome to Sound Quiz. Question number 1. The loudness of softness of a sound is called volume, amplitude, mediums, or vibrations. Are the back and forth movements that causes sound, volume, pitch, vibrations. The blank is the highness or lowness of a sound. A tuba has a low one, and a trumpet a high one. Pitch, mediums, vibrations. Solid, liquid, and gas are the three blank sound travels through. The three volume, mediums, vibrations. Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of light. Sound is a form of hearing. Sound travels only in echoes, only in pitches, in waves. Sound travels fastest through solids, then liquids, and then gas. Fastest through liquids, gas, then solids. Travels fastest through solids, then gas, then liquids. The more vibrations that are made by an instrument, the pitch will be higher, softer, lower. An echo is sound bouncing off an area or object such as a hard surface. A pitch is sound bouncing off of an area or object such as a hard surface. A medium is sound bouncing off an area or object such as a hard surface. There were two glasses that contained water. The glass that was totally full had a lower pitch than the glass that was half full. Why is that? The gas that was half full, the water absorbed the vibrations, creating a high pitch. The glass that was totally full, the water absorbed the vibrations, creating a low pitch. The glass that was totally full, the water absorbed the vibrations, creating a high pitch. There is no sound in space because sound can't travel that far, because sound waves do not move fast enough, because there is no medium in space for sound to travel through. Below is a sound wave that has waves close together. What pitch would have sound wave? What pitch would that sound wave have? No pitch, higher pitch, lower pitch. Below is a sound wave with waves further apart. What pitch would that sound wave have? Higher pitch, lower pitch, soft pitch. To stop a sound, you need to stop the volume, pitch, vibrations. A student is in an empty gym and yelled. The gym is then filled with people and equipment. The student yells again. How will the student's sound change? The sound will not change. The first time the student yelled, there was an echo, and the second time the student yelled, the sound was. The first time the student yelled, there was an echo, and the second time the student yelled, there was an echo.